That would be what I thought. And what I
So
believe.
these people are stealing
They
property.
did it to me 4 times. And if you go
Okay,
back
but you're just one person. How many homes
There
are
you
you
go.
coming across in Tampa? And then what if they're not even just doing this in Tampa? This could be a national issue.
And this is why I had an affinity for Kamala Harris, because Kamala Harris, when she was the Attorney General for California, is the one who issued the moratorium. She's the one that caused the moratorium that affected the property that one of the properties we're talking about. So it shouldn't have been anything going on. So a friend of mine told me about it. She said, no, they can't do anything because in fact, it was countrywide. And what's interesting is it relates to this property, because there's different stories for the other properties, and they can get to that later on. This property, the bank that filed the foreclosure is not the bank that loaned the money. In fact, for the property, the person who bought the property, Michael Wire, I can say his name because it's a part of the record. It was Bank of America was the servicer of the loan. So if you look at his bankruptcy, which I went and did, it's not Bank of New York Mellon, it's them. So you're like, well, how did all this stuff change place? And I'll do this so we don't kill or bore the people with the information unless they really want it. And this may be disturbing to you, so I'm glad you're sitting down. Bank of New York Mellon does not appear in the chain of title until after me.
Meaning meaning that they stole it.
I want to say that.